It's Andre, Spitfire, ParkZone Spitfire. Enjoy the flight. Alright, what's the wind doing? What? What's that doing? Alright, whatever. It's a crosswind. It's up. It's a version of up. Not too bad with the camera on, so it wasn't fun. That's the only problem flying in September at this time of morning. Anyhow, but we're out flying because the winds are going to get really high in about an hour. I brought the Spitfire. It's the ParkZone, the older ParkZone. I'm just flying it on a Turnigy Zippy Compact 3S 2200. Nothing really crazy. It's a stock aircraft. So the old power, the old ESC. It's a little doggish with the gear down, but those are stock retracts, or not, sorry, retracts, fixed gear. What? Ooh. Just gotta watch your tail. There's a runner out there, so I'll watch that. And the only thing I noticed so far is on my last couple landings today with all my planes that I haven't been using the gravel trap a lot, so it's a little sketchy. Your helicopter. Right to the sun. Nice thing about the Spitfire is as long as you watch your turns, it will dip its nose in the turns. It's fine. Throttle management, it's mushy. It's a lot of rollout, and that's that older PSC setup, I think. By rollout, I mean like it's just delay. I've calibrated it a few times, and it just feels like it just takes a while for it to spool up. Well, you gotta watch your power. But otherwise, fantastic airplane for something so old and outdated and everything, but you can't go wrong with the look of that profile. Ooh, Spitfire. Alright, starting to get a little low on throttle, I feel. I'm going to try and land, and with the winds, I'm going to bring it in from the school, which I don't normally do. Drop the throttle down a little bit more than I want it to there. See how this is going to go. So as I said, this track is really bad, and I've had a couple of really icky landings, so let's try this. Ooh, there's that wind. Pin the tail, drop the throttle, rudder, 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 rudder. Yeah! I'll take it. Ooh. There you go, flight with the Spitfire.